Apparently I started singing before I could talk. I used to hum and stuff. That's what my mum told me anyway. And then I started doing competitions in school, and I used to come first, sometimes second. I didn't think I was very good because when I was in about year 3, I think, we did Sleeping Beauty. So someone got Sleeping Beauty, someone got Princess, a Prince, and apparently I looked like a dead tree. I wasn't even alive, I was dead. I started writing my own songs when I was about 10. So me and my friend, we always used to sing. And I had this really good idea, and it was called Please Policeman. And I thought that was really clever, so we made a little song, and it was, please policeman, don't arrest me. It was like that. And I showed my mum, and she was like, wow, that's really good. Obviously I had to change a few things, but yeah, I think that was the first song I ever wrote.
You're not the queen of the Rolling Stones, baby, so please stop rolling your eyes. Sticks and stones may break.
I wrote Queen of the Rolling Stones when I was about 16, I think. I was on my bed playing a load of songs, and I just started coming up with this song. And I probably did it within an hour, I think. So it was quite good. Usually with my songs, I just come within an hour if I'm really feeling it.
Not the queen of the Rolling Stones.
I wrote a song a few years ago called The US of A, and it went, I'd stay every day in the US of A. But I realised that it sounded exactly like CeeLo Green's I see you driving round town. It sounded exactly the same. So I realised I might have infringed his copyright, so I could scrap the song.
Sometimes when I'm standing way up on a hill, I feel like everyone has closed their doors. I feel so lonely.
From a young age I knew about copyright because my dad was in a band and my mum is a sculptress. So I knew then really what the implications were. I wasn't taught much about copyright in school, like in art and music and drama. I didn't really know much about it. So I went on crackinideas.com and I learned a lot more about copyright, which was relevant to my music.
Should I jump or should I stay? Would you really miss me? Should I jump or should I stay? Would you want
I really understood how important copyright was. So when I started writing this song with my friend, we did a whole song and it was really good and it was really catchy, but she actually didn't write any of it. She just kind of was there when I wrote it, and it got me thinking, who would own the copyright?
Took a while to write this song. I didn't know what was going on till you found me on that summer's night. A big smile and a bottle of Jack. A gentle guy with his hair slicked back.
When I write a song, I've got copyright in the music and in the lyrics as well. I realised that even if I'm singing someone else's song, I still own the right to my performance.
At all. However, there's something there that I think we both share. I can see it in your blue-eyed stare that love's in the air tonight.
I've already got some music on iTunes, Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, and as the owner of the copyright, I've made some money.
Summer's night, but your hand fits in
For the future, I'm a very creative person, so at the moment I'm auditioning for drama schools, and I really want to go to drama school and do a BA course for 3 years. And I'm also going to carry on singing, I'm in a band, and it's obviously very important for me to understand copyright